All right, guys, I did it. I had to do it. I finally bought into all the ads about the Thrive Causemetics mascara and I purchased it. Hello, beautiful people. This is Nika and you're watching Love for Beauty. If you are new, welcome to my world of beauty. Let's open this package. So, ripped. We are here for the Liquid Extensions Lash Mascara that everybody is raving about. So this is my mission for the day. I will find out if all the things people say about this are true. I'm about to apply it and we're all instantly gonna know, like right now, this very second. That's it. It's happening, guys. It's happening. This is a rich black that I got. I'm pretty much a fan of black mascara. It says length plus volume. Ta-da! What else could you possibly want? Oh, it says it has orchid stem cell complex. What? Orchid is my favorite flower, and it has stem cell complex in it. What does that do? The orchid stem cell complex helps stimulate longer and healthier lashes. Well, I think there's only one thing left here to do. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. I'm doing it. It's happening. My makeup is done, but I have no mascara, no primer on my lashes. So let's see what happens. Look at that. I have to say, the tube is amazing. It is really heavy. It has this luxurious feel to it. By the way, this mascara is kind of pricey. It was, I believe, about $26. That's why I was very hesitant because I did not know if it was gonna be good. So we are about to find out. Here it is, the moment of the truth. I'm not a super fan of this kind of mascara ones, but let's see. Okay. I'm gonna get close here. Okay. Wow. It's already boosting my lashes. I haven't even done much. Real time, guys. I will edit this video, but I will not be editing this part so you can see real time what this baby's doing. Wow. Look at the difference. Okay. I think I do not regret this purchase. I messed up. That's all right. I'm gonna do a second layer because that's what people in the ads do. So let's see what happens if we keep going. Okay. I can get on board with this. What in the world? This is incredible. I haven't even done that much. Like this was just like 2 layers. I haven't dipped in the bottle again. Wow. Look at that. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you want to see more product reviews, go back to my channel, Love for Beauty, and head to the section, Influencer Box Unboxing and Products Review. Or you can click up here and watch this video that I chose especially for you. I'm gonna give you a quick tip here. If you mess up with your mascara, most of the times, if you let it dry, it's a lot easier to fix rather than just trying to rub it off while it's still wet. It smears, it goes black all over the place. It's a recipe for disaster. You can do this with a brush, you know, like a concealer brush or something. Just like that. It's a very easy fix. This one comes off pretty easily, which makes me think that it's gonna be nice and easy to take off. We don't know that yet, but I will find out. This mascara definitely blew my mind. These are only 2 layers of it. I just touched up the 3rd time. You can keep going. Obviously, you can make them thicker and longer. I just don't feel the need for that. My lashes are pretty much a normal length. They're not too long. They're not too thick. Just pretty average, but look at that. This is incredible. I'm gonna look up for you so you can see, and then I'm gonna look to the side and up. This is amazing. Thrive Causemetics, you've deserved your reputation. I am absolutely loving this mascara. I think it's incredible. People in the comments say it comes off pretty easily with just water, which I absolutely love. I've had mascaras like that in the past, and they make your life so much easier. You don't need to rub your eyes like a whole lot to take it off. You just wash your face with water. You soak your lashes off a little bit, and then you gently pull off the mascara off your lashes once it's wet and soaked a little bit. Do not pull your mascara off of your lashes while it's dry. Don't even think about it. You'll end up pulling some of your lashes out. It's not good for you, especially some people I've seen do that on a daily basis. Even like rubbing your eyes like too much is not good for you. So yeah, I really am excited about this. After I take off my makeup tonight, I will let you know in the comments below if it really came off as easily as everybody says. But so far, everybody's been right about this mascara. It's totally worth it. If you can afford it, absolutely get it. It is amazing. And consider the fact that I'm wearing very natural makeup right now. So it really made my eyes pop, almost like as if I have a smoky eye, which I do not at the moment. I am very pumped. I will be wearing this mascara every day. I love mascara because it just saves me. I don't wear a lot of makeup at work. I get up really early, so I don't like spending too much time on my makeup in the morning, which is why I love my mascara to give me a lot of volume on the lashes since I'm not wearing too much makeup aside from that. So I am really, really shocked and I am impressed, and I love you, Thrive Causemetics, and I feel like I will be purchasing this in the future. And also, think about it, I was really skeptical about this wand. And man, it really surprised me. I don't know, for some reason, I don't have good history with this kind of wands, but this one is a winner. You know when I know that my lashes are good? When I look up and they touch my eyebrows, I'm like, okay, my lashes are good to go. I am very happy. I'm very happy that I was able to do this review for you. I hope you liked it. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment to tell me what you think. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so it tells you when the next video is up. I will be here for you next Thursday at 5 p.m. Central and 3 p.m. Pacific. So come back and we'll have more fun together. Now, look in the mirror. You are beautiful.